Hi everyone, Camila Rinaldi here at IFA 2022. In my hands I have the Lenovo Glasses T1. In this video I will show you what we can do with this device and what is special about it. Let's have a look at it now. If you don't have room for a second monitor in your home office or want privacy when working in a cafe, train or airplane, then perhaps the Lenovo Glasses T1 are for you. The idea is simple. You have a private display in your glasses that are compatible with Android and iOS smartphones and tablets, as well as Windows and macOS laptops via the USB-C port. Yes, the glasses are wired. The image quality is Full HD and the display technology is micro OLED. When connected to a smartphone, you use the phone's display as a trackpad to navigate the interface. The cool thing here is that the screen either follows your head movements or you can just park it somewhere in the virtual space so that you can still interact with real life. On the Glasses T1 arms, we have physical buttons for positioning the virtual screen as well as volume buttons. When it comes to design, this device still seems to be in a prototype stage, and it is a bit clumsy. But we think the idea of a display accessible from the lenses of a pair of glasses is genius. According to Lenovo, the Glasses T1 will be available starting in 2023 in select markets, and the suggested price should be around $500. So, would you wear this device? Share your opinion in the comments of the video, and thank you for watching. Bye bye!